Hi, my name is Mary Grace Idaliola. I'm 25 years old from Davao City, Philippines. Based on my personal assessment on your job posting, I am confident that I have the right skills and the right attitude that fits your needs. Aside from that, I just done my 1 month training in upgrading my skills as a virtual assistant, which I think your company can benefit as well. One of the skills that I recently acquired is basic understanding of the broad concept of search engine optimization or SEO, lead generation, social media marketing, email marketing, and WordPress management. I am a self-learner by nature, which means I can do things on my own. Quality output is always my goal when performing my tasks. I believe I can learn a lot by working in your company. At the same time, you can also benefit from my skills. Really looking forward working with your company. Again, my name is Mary Grace and I am your Superwoman virtual assistant.